One of the questions I get asked all the time is how to paint over gloss skirtings. Now over time, oil-based paint will yellow if it's not exposed to sunlight. So if you've got a very dark room, for example, a utility room, or sometimes a bedroom where the bed's been, your skirtings and woodwork will yellow. So to combat that, you need to go over it in a water-based paint. This can be a gloss, a satin, or an eggshell, whatever your preference is. But in order to paint over gloss without having to sand it back to the bare wood, all you have to do is prime it. So you can go in with Zinsser bin. This is my absolute favourite primer. I use it on walls, woodwork, metal. It sticks to absolutely any surface, gets rid of stains, and you can put any paint on top as well. So if you wanted to paint the wall a bold colour and extend that down to the skirting, which is very in at the moment, you can do that if you prime it with this. So Zinsser bin you can recoat within 45 minutes. You only really need one coat unless you're covering some very, very bold stains or you're painting over a dark colour. But it does mean that 45 minutes, you wait, have a cup of tea, watch a programme, watch Netflix, go in with your water-based paint, and then that's usually touch dry within an hour too. So you are pretty much done in one afternoon. All you need for this is some 220 grit sandpaper. You'll want a synthetic brush for this and some white spirit to get rid of the Zinsser, and go in with a new, fresher paintbrush for the water-based. So how you tell it's water-based, it will either say it on the tin, or you can check the VOC content, which will either say minimal or low. This means that it's water-based. High VOCs means it's acrylic or oil-based and is very pungent as well. So you'll need to open all the windows. With water-based, you do not need to do so. This is just Homebase's own, cheap and cheerful, brilliant white. It's a gloss. It does take about 6 hours to cure, so make sure you read the tin. It's always on the back of the tin how long it takes to dry, how long you need to leave between coats. The longer you leave it, the better it will look, trust me. Make sure you also sand between the coats. So once you've primed, go over again with your sandpaper, just scuff it up just to give it the paint a key to stick to, and then you can go in with your water-based paint. Also want to make sure that you give the paint a really, really good stir. Over time, paint tends to separate, so you want to make sure that it's all mixed through so you get a consistent colour and a consistent finish. And that's how you refresh your skirting boards.